Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Sephora account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in sephora.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Sephora. You'll be able to find various options over here. From here, you'll be able to buy various products of makeup, skincare, hair, fragrance, etc. So if you want to create the account for yourself, what you have to do is simply click on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to sign into your account. But since you want to create the account for yourself, simply click on this option, create account. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter your email address. Click on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. Now after you enter the email address, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to fill in some details in order to create the account for yourself. First of all, enter the first name. Now enter the last name. The email address will already be written. Now what you have to do is create a password for yourself. Your password must contain 6 to 12 characters. Now after you create the password, also enter the phone number over here. Make sure to enter the correct phone number. If you want to sign up for Sephora marketing text alerts, simply check on this box that you can see right over here. Now you'll have to select your birthday. First of all, select the month. Now select the day. Now you can also enter the zip or postal code if you want. This is completely optional. Now simply scroll down. Now what you have to do is click on this option, join now, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, your account will easily be created. So that is how you create Sephora account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.